kosua ne Meko. Ubedi ahe mienu anasa miensa. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveeee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today we are making all-time kosua ne Meko recipe, okay? So let's go. So in a bowl, I boil my eggs, and then this is the Meko I'll be using. So I have pepper, onion, shallots, and some ginger. So we're gonna grind it with my asanka. So this is the metal asanka, okay? So I add some salt to taste, and then I grind it to perfection. Please note, I don't add tomatoes to my Meko, okay? Yes. So now you can see our Meko is ready, and then our eggs are also ready. So this is what we have here. Our legendaries make the eggs salty, hence it makes the peeling very, very simple. So we peeled our eggs and then we sandwich it with our pepper, that is Meko, and ta-da, our kosua and Meko is ready. Family, eggs have good source of vitamins. They contain vitamin A, D, and B12, and they are good for our hearts. So please, once a while, just enjoy some kosua ne Meko. Ubedi ahe baku anase mienu. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together, okay? I hope you like this video. Trust me, this is a popular snack in Ghana. Across the street, you're gonna find kosua ne Meko. All right, so see you in our next video whilst I enjoy my kosua and Meko, that is eggs with pepper sandwich, okay? I love you guys. See ya in our next video. Bye, family. Aya kosua ne Meko. Ubedi ahe mienu anasa miensa. Na opede jene anasa opede yen. Aya kosua ne Meko. Family, this is the legendary voice behind this recipe, okay? So anytime you are eating, you just say, Aya kosua ne Meko.